Hello everyone, welcome back to Click Maths. Today in this lecture we will discuss chapter 2nd, that is polynomial for grade 9, exercise 2.1 and question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Let's start today's topic. First question is, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. First, what is a polynomial? We already discussed about polynomial, different types of polynomial. Those who missed can view the link in the description box. Now, first to find out the polynomial, we want some variable, constant, and the exponent as no negative integers, that is whole number. You can see this is a 4x square minus 3x plus 7. In this expression, we have the constant number, that is 4, 3 and 7, and a variable which is x, and the power, that is the exponent of the variables, are non-negative. 2, here 1, and here we can write x raised to power 0, that is 0. So this is a polynomial because it is an expression of constant, variable, and the power is non-negative. Second one is y square plus root of 2. Yes, this is also a polynomial because here y is a variable. That means this is a polynomial in one variable, and 2 is a whole number. That means this is also a polynomial. Third one is 3 root of 2 plus t root of 2. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because in this expression we have root of t, that means t raised to power 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is not a whole number. That means the exponent of this expression is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Y plus 2 root of y. Again, root of y, that means y raised to power 1 by 2 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. But these are the expression with one variable. In the third, we have t as one variable, and in the fourth expression, we have y, which is only one variable. Now we will discuss fifth expression, that is x raised to power 10, y raised to power 3, and t raised to power 50. You see 10, 3, 50, which are the exponent of the expressions, are whole numbers. But this is not a polynomial. Why? Because this polynomial is not having one variable. Here we are discussing about the polynomial which are in one variable. So this is not a polynomial in one variable. Here we have three variables, that is x, y and t. Second question is, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We have to write down the coefficient of x square. So it is very simple. We only write the term first with x square. x square. In the front of x square के सामने आपको कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. That means we can write here 1. When we multiply 1 into x square, we get x square as it is. So 1 is the coefficient of x square in this expression. Second one, you see this is a term with x square, and here the coefficient of x square is -1. What is a coefficient? Coefficient means जिस भी आप x square के coefficient अगर आप find out कर रहे हैं, तो that means x square के साथ जो भी कांस्टेंट है that is a coefficient. Here if I'm asking you what is the coefficient of x cube, that means here 1 is the coefficient of x square. Third one is pi by 2 x square plus x. Here pi by 2 is a coefficient of x square because x square के साथ में आपका pi by 2 है. So this is the coefficient of x square. And what is the coefficient of x? 1. Last, root 2x minus 1. So there is no term with x here, so coefficient is 0. Why? Because we can write here 0 point multiplication 0 with x here, which is also another 0. So this is a coefficient of x square. अगर यहाँ पर x square की कोई term ही नहीं है, तो this is not possible to find out the coefficient of that term. Next one is give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. We already discussed about binomial and monomial. Binomial is a polynomial having two terms. For example, x plus 5 is a binomial. But here we are discussing about binomial degree 35. What is the degree? That means highest power of a polynomial is 35 in this binomial. So we write x raised to power 35. Here you can write x square, x cube as it is. जो भी आपका मन करते हैं आप कुछ भी राइट कर सकते हैं, बट जो हाईएस्ट पावर है वो हमेशा यहाँ पर 35 आनी चाहिए. That is a binomial having degree 35. Next one is and a monomial of degree 100. Monomial means we write only one term, because what is a monomial? Monomial having one term, x raised to power 100. This is a monomial. You will write also z raised to power 100. We can also write 5 raised to power x raised to power 100. We can also write 7y 100. These are the monomial, but here degree are 100. These degrees are 100. I hope you understood these questions. Thank you. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel, that is Click Math.